Want to know how to get or find invitations in Guru.com? So you can also get invitation from hirers as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find invitations that has been coming to you if it's there. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Guru.com website. So we have also created simple videos regarding Guru.com, which is on our channel. So make sure to watch it. So once everything is done, you should be under this interface right here. And now once you're under this interface, you should be on the dashboard, and here by default you should already be seeing invitation on the leads. So if you don't see that, there is also something known as leads as well. So again, the simply it was jobs right here, and now once you're on the jobs, there should be leads coming up, right? So you can just simply hit there, and now once you've selected that, as you can see right here, your invitations should be here, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily get or find invitations in Guru.com. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more videos. See you in the next one.